Good morning, everyone. My name is Lamont Gilchrist, www.L.G.FIT45.com. You can go to my webpage, check it out. You can join my group, the Zulu group, where I give free nutritional information, videos, some other stuff. So I've been doing a series talk about you can't count calories, the paleo diet is a myth, a whole bunch of other different things as far as how you track caloric intake, caloric burn, overall health. I gave some tools yesterday to my Zulu group in a post that I made of how to break down your food, how to test for acidity and alkaline levels, and some other tests. So today I'm going to talk about the purpose of eating, or the purpose of nutrition from a biological standpoint. Now, we get things, it's a circle of life. The sun supplies the energy, or oxygen and gases and minerals and the different things in the earth, sustains life here on this planet. So these things are placed into usually the herbs, or you call them fruits, vegetables, or plant life, or vegetation, sea or land vegetation. Different animals, if you are a carnivore, take, which is the second remove, take in these different fruits, vegetables, and then they absorb and utilize those things. And then bigger carnivores come and take in, and they absorb. And then sometimes even bigger carnivores come and they do the same thing. So it comes from the elements, from the universe, energy. Then it goes into the ecosystem, vegetation, and then out like that. So all these things that we're trying to get are different minerals, vitamins, things that help our organs, help our brain, help our body stay in a harmonious state. That's why it's so hard, and that's why obesity is so rampant in the United States and around the world, is because a lot of these things are processed, so they're stripping the peptide bonds, the flavonoids, the full potential of foods, and they're stripping on what they're calling science, and taking what they think is important out of something and discarding or separating and trying to sell you something else for profit. What happens with this is that men cannot master the universe. They cannot figure it all out, especially men that haven't been around long enough in the universe. So to have an opinion, I use this. So when you're young, you think you have the answers to everything. You know, you have an opinion about everything. You think you know how life goes and blah, blah, blah. But when you get older, the more you start to realize that you really don't know a lot of things. And the things that you do know, you know them pretty well. But it's just because of consistency and because experience have actually taught you these things, or the universe, or the physical or spiritual have guided you into the actual thought process and make it manifest so that it becomes a reality to you and you can share it with others. It may not be everyone's reality. So that's one of the biggest problems that we have, is that so many people think they know things and think they master things, because it's like they're like weathermen. And other things like that. Other people who make these predictions, it's going to be sunny and it started raining, even though they said the government can control the weather. And then, there's certain things that, in certain aspects, I'm pretty sure they can control, but they cannot predict 100% what is going to happen. They can't even predict their last breath. I mean, men have really mastered something when they could tell me how many flames is in a fire, how many pebbles of sand is on each beach, So if you really think about the vastness of the universe and the vastness of knowledge for a young, immature, somewhat savage species who's making all these decisions and talking about matter of fact with science and making these supposed to stick conclusions, and then 5 years later they'll come back and say, oh no, that didn't work. And some of that is manipulation to poison and to keep people following the thought process that they are on, not utilizing your own intuition, connection to the universe and mind. You fall into these patterns. So I'm going to post something below. It's going to tell you about the different vitamins, where you can get them from. Niacin is in there, but don't be fooled. It's not a vitamin. Vitamin D we can synthesize, so some other thing. And the daily recommended amount dose truly is just a hit or miss variety, meaning that they put a standard excuse me, in there that's saying between this and this or around this for everybody, which means absolutely nothing. So a lot of those things you have to figure out according to your fitness, your efficiency of absorption, and your depletion of these minerals, vitamins, and other things in your body. Once again, my name is L.G.FIT45. Have a great day. Thanks.